Claude just built something actually useful for trading. Most AI trading stuff is garbage. You post a screenshot to ChatGPT and say, is this a good buy or not? Which is just completely useless. But what I built is completely different. It's Claude Code, but connected to TradingView. It's not reading screenshots, it's reading the actual data. And it checks if my strategy has a setup right now and can alert me at any time. Let me show you what this actually looks like. So I have this strategy called BH1, basically Bitcoin on the 1 hour, and it's back tested over about 3 months. But here's the problem. I can't manually check if the conditions are met every hour. I will miss setups, I'll enter early, and emotions will obviously take over. So I asked Claude to check the conditions were met for me. Watch this.
Claude, run the BH1 check on Bitcoin 1 hour right now and let me know the situation.
It just checked 6 conditions across 2 different time frames, and that's the whole thing right here. It follows rules, not just some AI's opinion. Let me try another coin here.
What are we thinking about Sol? Pull up all the same kind of indicators and let me know.
And that's it. That's the system. One is filtered out, maybe one is ready, and that's what I get every morning at 6 a.m. A list of which coins to watch and have setups, no emotion, and so I don't miss a single thing. So let me show you how to set this up right now. First, you're gonna go get Claude Code. This is Anthropic's tool. Download it and get the desktop version. Second, you're gonna want to install the TradingView MCP server. Basically, it's one command line and that's it. It connects Claude to your TradingView data, literally one command. Then you want to open TradingView desktop, and it has to be the desktop app here, not the web, and ask Claude something about the chart, and then you're done. That's it. Now, the hard part isn't the setup. The hard part is actually a strategy that works for you. That's where you're going to make money. Claude just makes the strategy test a lot easier. Now, once I got a couple strategies that I potentially wanted to test, I was able to use extensions called Freak Trade inside my Claude Code to start paper trading these strategies. Basically, what's going to happen is once I have a strategy Claude wants to use, we're going to update it to another connection where it will follow real-time prices and we can take real trades, but just with paper money. After a week or 2 of profitable live testing, we are then going to put in our money and see if we can make profitable trades that way as well. Now, this isn't magic. It's basically just automated rule checking, and you put an agent or cron jobs behind this in order to get it working. You yourself will have to train this AI in order to give it a strategy. You can train it on other YouTube videos. You can ask it about other trading strategies, and you can try to backtest these and iterate on them in order to get them profitable. You can also have him test all different types of indicators and indicator strategies to see if they work and iterate those as well. Now, this doesn't exist by itself, and I didn't create this just for fun. It's actually how I trade every morning. Every morning at 6 a.m. I get a brief. Is crypto bullish or bearish? What's happening for the macro? What are the whales doing? Then I get this. Which of my coins have setups here? And I trade based on that filter. I post all of it to my Discord every single morning. The macro brief, the whale alerts, the radar of coins pumping, and the chart analysis. You can find this at cryptocaptains.com. The reason I'm showing you this is because if you're serious about trading, you need a system in order to profit. Not just one tool, an entire system. If you join, you're going to see the daily brief tomorrow morning at 6 a.m. You'll see exactly what this looks like in practice, not theory, real trades and real analysis here. Subscribe if this is useful to you. I post this kind of stuff every week. New builds, new systems, and how I'm actually making money. And if you want to build this yourself, well, you have all the tools available. Download Claude Code, get that command line, and you're off and running. That's it. Until next time, take care.